Thank you everyone for coming for this press con. As you can see, Salamat Sugbo, June 29, 2025, Thanksgiving rally or an event. So, for Governor-elect Pamela Baricuatro. So, we're here calling for you for the details, and of course, before that, we have our guest of honor, guest speaker for this press con, Attorney Rowena Guanzon, former Commissioner of Comelec and former Commissioner of GOA, and of course, Facebook celebrity. A lot of followers, and we're happy for her presence to grace with us for this press con. And you may start now, or you want to?
Yes. Daghang salamat at sa tanang Sumbuanon, ipahigayon nga maka-greet ko ninyo. Yeah, kita na po kong Sugbo, lugay na kay ko wala ka aris sa Cebu. As you know, I was born in Negros Occidental, pero Bisaya kay ko, kay high school man ko Siliman University. Gahapon, nag-greet ako, congratulations kay Governor Pam. And of course, congratulations din sa campaign team niya o sa tanang tao sa Sugbo nga support niya. Niyari ko kay to show our support for Governor Pam. Not only sa seremonya nga sa turnover, but more importantly sa pagpahatag niya mga ideya about sa local governance. As you know, I was a professor in the UP College of Law. I taught local government law and election law. And may textbook ako sa local government code. I was mayor for 6 years under President Cory Aquino in 1986 to 1992. So I hope na in my own way, maka-contribute ko sa province of Cebu. And I'm here also not only to show support, but also to share the vision of a progressive, compassionate, and peaceful province of Cebu, together with our new Governor Pamela Baricuatro. So,